Well, the high-level delegation from Kenya essentially has two main aims when it meets here at the political body which underpins the ICC. Firstly, they want to ensure that evidence which was retracted by witnesses is not used in this trial, and they also want to ensure that there is a full audit of the process which the ICC uses when identifying witnesses. This all relates to the case involving the Deputy President of Kenya, William Ruto, and the Kenyan journalist Joshua Sang. They're both facing a number of charges relating to crimes against humanity, which are linked to violence which outbroke following the 2007 election. It's charges which they all deny. Essentially, the delegation which will be arriving here will be trying to lobby and garner support from fellow countries to ensure that that audit is pushed through, but also something called Article 68 is not used in the trial. Article 68 allowing recanted evidence to be used in trials, and that is something that they do not want to happen. There is support for Kenya. Around 190 MPs have signed a petition. Officials say that garners cross-party support. There is also support from Attorney Generals and the African Union Justice Ministers, which signed the petition at a meeting in Ethiopia last week. Essentially, what the Kenyan delegation is looking to do ultimately is to get this case against William Ruto dropped, similar to how the case against President Kenyatta was dropped at the end of last year. In fact, some comments from President Kenyatta recently said that he wants the ICC to stay out of Kenya's affairs, saying that it should concentrate on the issues facing countries such as Syria and Iraq, two countries which are not signed up, of course, to the ICC. Campaign groups, however, who will be present at this meeting, say that those facing charges should answer to the court, and that this is not a matter for political discussion. This is going to be a very testing meeting here for the ICC. They're also facing a delegation from South Africa, with the topic of South Africa wanting to pull out of the ICC potentially. That'll be another hot topic on the table during this meeting. Dan Whitehead, CCTV at The Hague.